I think there's something to say about having a silence as predominant where you live. And when that's the case, I think you get to appreciate different sounds much more than if you lived in a loud place, in a place where there are a lot of sounds. You get to appreciate even tiniest, smallest sounds. And I guess everybody's different, but my threshold, my level of tolerance is very low when it comes to loud sounds. So I really appreciate living in a place where it's quiet most of the time. And then all these small, tiny sounds, they kind of come in. And they're not as obtrusive as where I lived before. Not to say, there are very loud sounds when there's a windstorm, when there's a strong wind. It's pretty loud. But then it's okay because then it goes away. And it's part of the whole experience. I guess everything is, but it really depends what you enjoy. And I do enjoy the silence quite a bit. There is my hiking companion, somebody that absolutely loves going on walks with me, and when I stop, he's right next to me. My guardian angel, Bruno, such a good boy. What I like about living in Arizona is that I feel very peaceful here. It feels like my soul is at peace. And even dogs, I think they kind of feel me, and they love being next to me. And they go on the walks with me, but they're very calm and quiet. At the time when the sun sets, not every night, but on some nights, most nights, the coyotes become very loud. But it's just part of it. They live here too. One thing I've learned on this walk about walking the high desert is that sneakers are not necessarily a good type of shoe to be using to walk. Here, I look like at some point a spike run through my sole of the shoe right into my toe, and that did not feel good at all. So yeah, appropriate footwear, something with the robust and the hard sole. It's pretty much a necessity. We are expecting strong winds tomorrow, so the the top portion of the shed, um, one of the things that covers the rain and the water coming in all the way from the top, has become loose. So I'm gonna go up there and check it out and see what I can do to tighten it into the place so the wind doesn't rip it out of its place. This top portion was ripped on both sides, the further side and the closer side, with the wind. So I had to reinforce that with additional screws and washers so it doesn't happen again. We're expecting some winds, strong winds starting tomorrow. So this should take care of it. So I don't have to worry about that being open and water getting inside. This is one of those rare days that it's very overcast. It feels a little bit humid too. It's warm and humid, which is very rare for Arizona.